Oh, that noise? That's my alarm. It helps me wake up at the same time every morning. Do you have an alarm? It's gonna be a great day. Whoops! Body's awake now. Okay, guys, keep your eyes open.
And your noses, too.
Attaboy, Pluto. Find all the farm animals. I think Pluto found something, but I don't see any animals.
And I don't hear any moo-moos or oink-oinks or cluck-clucks either.
What could it be?
I got an idea. I bet if we plant lettuce and carrots, then the animals will come out for a treat.
Sounds yummy. But, won't it take a long time to grow all that stuff?
Not with the clickety-clack tractor. Watch. Growing veggies on the farm is always lots of fun. Our tractor likes to plant the seeds. Then with a clickety-clack and a poppity-pop, things begin to grow.
Clickety-clack and a poppity-pop.
Everything's ready to go. Clickety-clack and a poppity-pop, there's something for everyone.
Clickety-clack and a poppity-pop.
Planting veggies is fun! Now all we have to do is wait for the animals to come out and get their treats.
Come out wherever you are.
We found Buddy!
Oh, Mickey and Donald have a farm. Mr. Mouse could do.
And on our farm we got bunnies.
Mr. Mouse could do.
With a bunny hop here and a bunny hop there. Here a bunny, there a bunny, everywhere a bunny.
Mickey and Donald have a farm. Mr. Mouse could do. And on our farm we've got a goat. Mr. Mouse could do.
Now let's see. How many animals are there? Count with me, everybody. 1 bunny, 2 bunnies, 3 bunnies, 4, 5 bunnies, 6 bunnies. Are there any more? Well, there aren't any more bunnies, but we've got a goat. And that's an animal. So, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bunnies. And a goat, too. And that makes how many animals? 7. Hot diggity-do! You're right! Good for you! Oh, Mickey, I don't think there's enough room on the tractor for all of the animals.
No problem, Goofy. Watch this. Come on, let's skedaddle. Don't be lagging. Hitch up to the clickety-clack wagon.
Now that's what I call a happy farm family.